Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by connecting the HP laptop to AC power and saving any open files. This prevents interruptions during updates. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security, and select Windows Update so the system can query Microsoft. You click Check for updates and watch downloads start. If drivers appear for HP hardware, let them queue. Make sure to note download size and estimated time so you can plan a restart when required. You now manage the middle steps. Review available updates and optional drivers. If an HP-specific driver shows, install it to avoid hardware issues. Otherwise, defer large feature updates until convenient. Once downloads finish, schedule a restart if you're in the middle of work or allow immediate installation when convenient. If Windows reports driver conflicts, open HP Support Assistant to fetch compatible drivers. This reduces the chance of post-update device problems and keeps your laptop stable. You complete the process by restarting the laptop so Windows can finish installing and configuring updates. Do not interrupt this phase. After reboot, verify success in update history and inspect Device Manager for any driver warnings. If a problem appears, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and check HP Support Assistant for fixes. You can roll back a driver or uninstall a recent update if needed. Troubleshooting tip: boot to safe mode.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.